Lithium batteries are first discharged in brine, and then the discharged batteries are fed into the shredder for pre-crushing. The crushed batteries are sent to the primary crusher for fine crushing through the conveyor, and the crushed batteries are sent to the fully sealed tumbler screened through the cyclone to separate the black powder. The screened material is separated from the iron by a magnetic separator before being fed into an air separator to separate the diaphragm. The material enters the secondary crusher for fine crushing again, depowdering again, and the black powder will be screened out by the roller sieve. The screened material is fed into the mill for the last crushing, depowdering, and the black powder is separated by rotary vibration sieve. Copper and aluminum powders are separated by specific gravity sorter, and the aluminum content of the final product black powder is as low as less than 1%, and the grade of copper and aluminum powders can be up to about 95%. Lithium battery recycling is an important environmental program as it helps to reduce the negative impact of battery waste on the environment and allows for the efficient recovery and use of valuable materials contained therein.